Poor cheeky Chris coming in, filming me while I was having 40 winks. I didn't include all of it in here though, guys. You didn't want to see the mouth open and the snoring. I think this has got to be the worst day yet. I am absolutely exhausted. I just keep dropping off to sleep. I'm experiencing so much pain up in the shoulder here. But also I'm having a lot of shooting pain. All of a sudden it's like bam, it get me, you know, but I know that's a good thing, because I know that's to do with the nerves or joining back and growing together. Do you hear that noise? That's my, hold on, let me show you. Ooh, hold on, the blind. Got the window open. I've come out to bed because I just sat downstairs. I was just falling asleep in the most uncomfortable position. So here I can sleep. So I have to have like a cushion underneath my arm so that I can rest it on. And then my hand has to be elevated above heart level. So I have to have another one for my hand to be elevated on. So, you know, if you're downstairs, it's a little awkward to do that on the sofa, especially leather, because you kind of slip forward on it. Yeah, so I'm just chilling up here, sleeping, like a flipping baby, honestly. But I suppose that's the sign of your body healing. I've got about 100 million cushions all up behind me as well. So yeah, just gonna chill out a bit. I'll go back downstairs a bit later. I've got a book up here to read, but every time I try and pick it up, I nod off again. So obviously it's my body doing what it needs to be doing, is sleeping and repairing. Yeah, so not a lot to really tell you. So I will pop back at some point and chat. So Chris has just brought my lunch up for me. So I've got my new mug, my dog mum mug, which is an ideal soup mug. I've got tomato soup with some white pepper, which I've popped in myself. Of course, I've got the fan on over here. There you go. And as I went to pop it in, it just went whoosh all over the flipping place. And I've got a bap here, which has been lightly buttered. So that's my lunch. So now Chris has brought me out some dessert. And it's one of those sort of ready-made jellies that you get. I think this is the 10 cal one, I think. And some fruit cocktail. And what he's done is he's picked out the pieces of fruit that he will eat and left me with the bits that he won't eat, because he's a little bit, you know, doesn't really like the fruit cocktail very much. But yeah, I think by looking at it, he might have taken out maybe grapes and cherries. Say hi. Hi, come to sit with mummy. Yeah, so I thought I'd so I've had my lunch now, and I had the jelly and the fruit cocktail, very refreshing, really nice. I'm going to try and have a bit more of a wash today. I've been having a lick and a promise, basically. But obviously I can't get in the shower, stuff like that. Just cannot get any of this wet. And it's, the other thing is, it's me, our shower is an over bath shower, and it's very difficult for me to get in and out of anyway. But the other issue that I've got is, now it was about 2 weeks before my op, I had to stop some of my medication, which I did, and I'm not allowed to take some of it for another 2 weeks yet. And one particular medication I can't take for a minimum period of 6 weeks. So I've got rheumatoid arthritis, as well as obviously, you know, a few other illnesses, but rheumatoid arthritis that affects obviously all my joints and stuff, and I do inject a biological injection. Well, that one I can't start up again for another 2 weeks. My anti-inflammatory that I take, that I cannot have for at least another 6 weeks because it hinders bone growth. So although it's good for your joints to help, you know, with the inflammation, etc., when it comes to your bones being repaired, it hinders it, and so it's no good for your bones. So therefore, it's weird, isn't it? Because I've got my arm situation going on, and I've also got a fair few painful joints going on again. Whether I'm going to end up going into flare up or not, I don't know yet. But my left ankle, it's very difficult right now for me to put weight on my left ankle. I'm walking with my foot over to the side because I just cannot put my foot down like flat properly. But I'm going to go into the bathroom. I'll probably just sit on top of the toilet seat and have a little bit more of a wash. Yeah, then the normal look and a promise that I've been having. Oh dear, I don't smell though, so yeah, I don't smell, guys. I don't smell. You don't need to wear a peg on your nose.